Okay, let's start from the top with acquisition. And just to emphasize the importance of this stage, here's a quote from Peter Thiel, one of the co-founders of PayPal. "Poor distribution, not product, is the #1 cause of failure. If you can get even a single distribution channel to work, you have a great business. If you try for several but don't nail one, you're finished." So the goal of this stage is to get new customers. And these customers come from various sources known as your acquisition channels. So this might be SEO, Facebook ads, display ads, business development, content marketing, any number of things that bring new customers to you, as well as viral acquisition, which we'll talk more about later in the course. So basically, you're just filling your funnel at this stage. So some stuff we're going to cover, some basic acquisition principles to keep in mind. You're going to learn how to analyze your existing acquisition channels to get more out of them. And then finally, you're going to learn what to keep in mind when you're selecting new acquisition channels.